When I watched this video, I decided to do proper in-depth optimization and backtest process to figure out exactly if this strategy is profitable or not. So in this video, first of all, I will explain you exactly when to open a buy and when to open a sell. And then in the second part, I will show you the backtest process on the last 1 year, how many number of trades, how much profit, how much loss, and all details. And in the final part, I will show you exactly what settings I am using for this strategy. Without wasting any time, let's begin. Welcome back to TradingBotLab. I'm your host Abdul. Let's move to my screen, and here you can see this strategy consists of two main indicators. The first indicator is MA ribbon and the second is multiple CCI. So here in the indicators list, these are the exact name, the moving average ribbon, and the second indicator here is multiple CCIO. You can search for these same indicators. So here on the screen you can see, to open a buy trade, this white line must be above this yellow line, and the yellow line must be above this green line. The price must be above all these lines. Once all these align, we will go to the CCI indicator here, and this yellow line must be above this horizontal white line. After that, we will wait for this white line to go down, touch this green zone, and then go up and cross this yellow line. So when this white line cross this yellow line here, on that candle we will open a buy trade. So here on this candle I will open a buy trade. The SL will be here a little bit below this last low, and the TP will be 1.5 risk to reward ratio almost here. And here is the sell trade example. The price must be below all these lines, the white line lower than yellow and the yellow lower than this green line. And this yellow line here in the CCI indicator must be lower than this horizontal white line. And once all these criteria met, we will be looking for this white line to go up and touch this red zone. And now we will be waiting for this white line to go down and cross this yellow line. So on the crossing candle we will open a sell trade. So here I will open a sell trade exactly on the closing of this candle. The SL will be a little bit higher than the last high, which is here, and the TP will be 1.5 risk to reward ratio, which is almost here. I hope you understand the strategy exactly when to open a buy and when to open a sell. So now let's do the backtest process. The backtest process is completed, and here on the screen you can see, first of all, let me show you exactly when the first trade was open. The first trade was open in the January and the last trade closed in December. Here you can see. And in this whole year, it opened total 36 number of trades with a win rate of 38.9% only. Overall, it made a profit of 7% in 1 year with a drawdown of 6%. And now finally, let me show you exactly what settings I am using. Here on the MA ribbon, you need to adjust your settings same as this here in the inputs and the style and the visibility. And here in the CCI, let me open the settings. Here is the style, and you can match your setting exact with these settings. After watching this video, I hope you understand the reality of this strategy. If you want me to do proper in-depth analysis on any specific video, let me know in the comment section and I will do my best to bring the video as soon as possible for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. See you soon in the next video. Goodbye.